Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today. Hey, this box from Ipsy. So this is a spoiler video. These are some products that you could get in your Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of October 2022. And this is my Open Studios box, my PR box for October from Ipsy. And this has been gifted by Ipsy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Out of breath today. I have been running since 8 o'clock this morning. Oh. So, this is the box that we got this month. Yeah, I can show you my label. Excuse me. Glam Bag is, I don't even know what Glam Bag costs. Is that horrible? I have to look at my little card. I can't even think today. It's $13 a month plus $2 handling fee. So I think by the time they tax it, it's about $16 or a little bit more. And plus is $28 a month plus the $2 handling. So, you know, it does come out to, you know, a good bit of chunk of change each month. But I still love my Ipsy bags right here. So I'll give you a little sneak peek into the mess that's in my box. They never put products together properly. It's like they put 4 products in the bag and the rest you have to like wing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm gonna have to look here. But before I make sure I have this correct, October 2022 is going to be a Haul-oween. How cute. That's going to be the theme across the boxes, the bags, I should say. And then this card is going to be, you know, blank for us because it's, you know, for the Open Studios program. But I love that. Haul-oween. So let's do this first. So we have a black bag and there is webbing on it. Nice purple interior, purple, like a purple zip. And then we have, let me see if I can drop this here. Let me get this up. A little spider for the pull. This is adorable, and this is like leather-like. It's probably not leather. First item, because it was sticking out, is a brush from YC Collection, and this is, sometimes you can barely see it. That looks like a cheek brush. I have my phone sitting in front of me, so I can see what this stuff up. Yes, I'm going to keep this. This is a cheek brush. That feels nice. That'd be great to, you know, blush, highlighter, sweep away powders, you know, put your setting powder under your eye. That's really nice. Y01 cheek brush right here. Beautiful. I love the brushes. $22. Just going to take the other items out of the bag. I think the bag is adorable. Let's see if I can put the bag right back there and get it out of my way. The next item that I have here is from Kopari. And this is Ultra Restore Body Butter with Hyaluronic Acid right here. This is a deluxe sample. Always happy. So it has hyaluronic acid, prickly pear, and coconut oil. That'll feel nice, like after shower, after shaving, all that good stuff there. We have a product here from Ditto, and this is Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara, and this is a sample, deluxe sample. I'm not going to open it. I might share that, or I'll pop it in with all of my lip products, my samples. I have one of the drawers back here. I think it might be on this side. One of the small little drawers like this. I think it's this one. I have all my little small size lip products. This way I can, if I want, you know, like my Charlotte Tilbury, Yves Saint Laurent. I have a couple of them. Pat McGrath, Tarte, Anastasia, Bare Minerals. That's another Anastasia. So I'll probably put that, this next product in there. And this is from Bare Minerals. Mineralist Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick. Deluxe sample. Spirited is the shade. I would assume that's the shade right there. Nice. I like Bare Minerals products, and I do like a matte lipstick. There it is right there. I'm not going to swatch this because I don't want this all over the place. I can't even open it. I have no strength in my hands. 0. Oh, there we go. Whew. So I can give you a little indicator. So that's like a more of a red tone than, like it's not, this would be like more of a berry-ish. That looks more of a red. Matte lipstick. So I will add that to there. And I'm not going to, little samples like this, I don't put one in and get rid of one. Just so you know, for the little tiny. Now, full-size lipstick, absolutely. I have in my lipstick drawer, well, I have a couple products from my sister, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products that are resting right on the top here that I have to now get rid of 5 to keep them. Getting a little harder, but I'm still managing to do it. As you can see behind, I don't know if you can see all the way over to my left right here, this side. I have a whole bunch of palettes here that I'm going to be swatching in hopefully Sunday's video, this Sunday's video. If not, it's going to have to wait. My time could be completely, my whole week can be completely messed up, and I'll know tomorrow for sure. And the next thing in my Glam bag, which I'm excited about, is from e.l.f. Skin, and this is Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, and this is full size, $11 from e.l.f. I have one of these, but I like it, so I will keep it. Comes with a nice little scoop. And this is not, this is their full size because I have their full size. And this is nice. I can show it to you. There's a balm, and you just, scent-wise, let me see. Just like a clean scent, almost to a no scent, personally. It might be a no scent. Let me see. Let me see what this says. Vegan, cruelty-free, clean and kind. It doesn't have a scent in it. Hyaluronic acid, ceramides and peptides. Dry, oily combination skin is good for. Yeah, it doesn't get, oh, it's on the bottom and it's going to be so small. Oof. I don't think it, like if anything, it just smells nice and clean and fresh. So that's everything in the Glam bag that I got. Not a bad box at all, bag at all. I like the e.l.f. product. The bag is adorable. Mascara and Kopari. Oh, I'm going to knock everything over. The brush and then the lip product from Bare Minerals. I'm excited for that. So we had 2 full size in there, $22 and $11. So that's $33 value. I only do the full sizes when I do that. Next is the plus items that you could possibly get. They have a whole list. If you go onto Ipsy's website and you are an Ipsy member, if you scroll down past where your bag is, right on the left side of the screen, it says view all products. Like, don't go down too far. Just go beyond where your bag lists all your 5 items. Right below it on the left, it says view all products. And you can see all the products available in regular Glam bag plus, and if you are getting X, you'll be able to see all the products that are available so that you can see what they offer. So the first item in my plus is Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. These are very nice. $20 value. Let's open these up. And these are, I think these are just like patches. I like, this is a tin. And yeah, so how many do you get? Does it say? I don't know if it says, you know, you get a good amount in there. I'm not going to take them all out. I'm just going to pull one out so I can show you. So this doesn't, so it is a patch. No, it's like a white. Let me see. It doesn't, trying to hold it up. I don't know. It doesn't feel like an eye patch. It says 1 set, so they're just right here. They just don't feel like normal eye patches feel, but it probably is. So this 1 set. I don't know how many you get. Maybe 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, probably 10 in here. Oh, it says it right on the front. Idiot. It says 10 sets. It'd be a miracle if I would pay attention. So that was, what did I say, $20. Next here, what do we have here? KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Right here. Ooh, it's not black. This is, what is the name of this? Verdetta Green. Shit, Sean, let me see what this looks like. Ooh, it's green. I'll be keeping this for sure. So that's what this looks like right here. This is a gel liner. I can never get these tops off. Oops. Oh, I got it all over me. Okay. It's right there. I guess I'm going to have to... I got it all over my hand. Oh, that's pretty. Nice green. I like that. All over my fingers from pulling that off. Oh. Go back in the box. And it's all over my fingers. Let's see if I can get it off my fingers. I don't want this all over. That's pretty. I like that a lot. Next, from Earth Harbor, Cloudburst Balancing Gel Hydrator. Right here. The KVD eyeliner is $22. This here is $28. Let's see, which it should be a glass bottle. They generally are. Yeah, nice glass bottle. And this has a pump. Nice little pump, so you just do one pump. And this is, right here, a burst of hydration as light as a cloud. Use as a daily toning essence morning and night. Pat into skin until absorbed. Apply after cleansing and prior to other treatment and moisturizers to improve their absorption. Oh, that's exciting. Happy to have that. Did I say how much was that? $28. That's a lot. Oh, I never showed you the bag. It's on the bottom. That's really cool. Witches' hats, a snake, pumpkin, skulls. Nice purple, iridescent. Witch's broom, spiders, potions. That's adorable. Oh, that's a beautiful bag. What is this? Wow. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I have a Gloss Bomb Heat. Hot Cherry is the shade. I wish they would have sent me a different shade. I know in my profile I say no reds, but I don't know why I get... But this is PR, so... But that's what that looks like right there. Pretty. I might have to swatch this. And maybe I should swatch that other lip product too. I don't know about this. This is going to be red. Ooh, look at that. I don't want all that product though. It's just like a... This is a gloss though. Ooh, pretty though. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm excited for this. I don't have... Can you guys see the gloss there? That's pretty. Now, see, I thought, ooh, as soon as I saw red, I wouldn't be able to try that. Let me swatch this then, since I decided I wasn't going to get all this stuff all over my hands. And let's see and swatch this product. Oh, once again, too much. And that's not really that bad either. Okay, so this is right here. This product. So, I mean, it's red. It's not that it's not. But maybe more of a blue undertone for red, so I might be able to pull that one off a little bit more. I like this a lot. Seen people love on them. That's like a pinky red when it's on your hand. Curious what it's like on my lips. And then I have a palette. So the Fenty Gloss Bomb is $24. I don't usually get palettes in my PR. Not all the time. Let's see whose palette this is. From Estate Cosmetics, the Fall Edit, right here. $22 value. So this box that they sent me for Plus has $116 value. Here's the inside. The palette, that's really cute. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow, am I going to be keeping another palette? That is pretty. I like that. Wow. I might have another palette to add to the pile to swatch. I really like that a lot from Estate Cosmetics. I think I have some palettes from them. So that is everything in my Glam bag and my Ipsy Plus for the month of October 2022. I would love to hear your thoughts on what I received and what you could possibly receive and what I could possibly receive, because I get Glam Bag and Plus also. Thank you to Ipsy for sending this to me once again. And the October theme is Haul-oween. Adorable. Love it. Have a great day, everyone. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.